YouTube Shorts is a relatively new feature on the platform that allows creators to upload short-form vertical videos of up to 60 seconds. While the feature is still in the testing phase, there are a few ways that you can potentially make money from YouTube Shorts. Ad revenue. If you meet the eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn ad revenue from your Shorts videos. This means that ads may appear before, during, or after your video, and you'll earn a portion of the revenue generated from those ads. Brand deals. If you have a large following on YouTube Shorts, you may be able to secure brand deals with companies that are interested in promoting their products or services. You can include sponsored content within your Shorts videos and earn money for doing so. Merchandise sales. If you have merchandise related to your brand or channel, you can promote it within your Shorts videos and earn money from sales. Fan support. YouTube Shorts also has a feature called Shorts Fund, which allows viewers to tip creators for their content. If you create engaging and high-quality Shorts videos, your viewers may be willing to support you financially through this feature. Keep in mind that the YouTube Shorts feature is still in its early stages, and monetization options may evolve over time. The best way to make money from YouTube Shorts is to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience and builds a following. For more informative videos, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.